don't judge. Look at it. I have it crinked up in here. And oh my god. I haven't been in here 6 months. Here go all the names of the peoples on my other channel. My intent is to get a flower cross. There go my little board. And I started some names for this channel. Yep. What I do is fill it up. That one. And haven't started this one yet. But yeah, it's a mess. It's a mess, guys. Look at that. It's a mess in here. OMG. Okay, guys. Let's get started. Because it's a mess. We look and we don't judge. It's a mess. Okay, let's get started. Wow. Door keep coming open. Like it. Alright. Last live I've been doing, Daddy. Oh, just gonna tear. picture right here. You're playing in the snow.
Throw it away.
Then when I put my book, I put my books in there. Oh. All this stuff I've been buying at the Family Dollar and put it up. Okay, guys, I am finished. Got stuff over there. Christmas, I'll probably start putting that stuff up like, I don't know, next month. Then I got this stuff over here. Got that. And I got my names. Then I got that. Over here in the mirror. I just need to straighten up over there. Throw that away as trash. I put this under there, and that's it, guys. Say hi. Okay, guys. I'll be back. I'm gonna do the closet. I'm gonna put the closet on here with this. We'll see. If not, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time. We'll see you later. Bye.